Good morning, students. So today we're going to evaluate the difference between the plant cell and animal cells. Let's look. Plant cell and animal cell. Okay, first let me write it this way. Cell membrane is present in both plant cell as well as in animal cell. Cell wall is present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. Then what are the difference? Then we have plastids. Plastids like chloroplast, leucoplast, chromoplast, okay, like chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. All these are known as plastids. This is a double membrane organism. Chloroplast is nuclear plastids. So these plastids are present in plant cell, but they are absent in animal cell. Okay, dear students. Now let's talk about vacuoles or vacuoles. So vacuoles are present and they are large. You can say large vacuoles are present. I will write large vacuoles are present. Here you can write usually absent, but if present, then they are small. Vacuoles. Okay, what are small? Small vacuoles are present. Then we have, actually there are another organelles that we will learn in 9th standard, centrosomes. These are like a star shape, you can say. They are centriole, present only in animal cell. We have not discussed in this present. It is near the nucleus. And here it is absent. Okay. So centrosome is organelles help in the cell division. Okay, you will learn in detail in 9th standard. And there are other differences also like Golgi apparatus, Golgi bodies, which are present in animal cell. In plant cell, they are in the form of dictyosomes. But you don't have to learn that. Just learn that cell membrane is present both. Cell wall is present as in case of plant cell, but absent in animal cell. Plastid is present in plant cell and absent in animal cells. Vacuoles are present in plant cells and usually they are large, and in animal cells usually they are absent, but if present they are small. Centrosome is absent in plant cell and present in animal cell. So this was about the similarity and dissimilarity of plant cell and animal cell. So we have completed